In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in HubSpot CRM. To get started, sign into your HubSpot account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the plus or create button in the top navigation area. This is where you can quickly add new items in HubSpot. Click that button, and from the options that appear, choose Task. A task creation panel or window will open. Begin by entering the task title. Keep this short but specific so it's easy to recognize later. A clear title helps you and your team understand the purpose of the task at a glance. Next, select the task type. This helps categorize the activity, whether it's a call, email, to-do, or another action. After that, set the task priority. If the task is urgent or especially important, choose a higher priority so it stands out in your workflow. Now, associate the task with the correct record. This might be a contact, company, deal, or another related record in your CRM. Linking the task properly makes it easier to keep all activity organized in one place. Then assign the task owner, which is the person responsible for completing it. If your team uses queues, you can also select a queue at this point. This is helpful for organizing tasks by process, department, or stage of work. But if your workflow doesn't require it, you can leave that field as is. Next, set the due date for the task, and then choose the due time if a specific time matters. Adding both can help with scheduling and make deadlines clearer. If the task needs to happen regularly, enable task repetition and choose the appropriate recurring schedule. After that, set a reminder so the assignee gets notified before the task is due. This can be especially useful for time-sensitive follow-ups. Then enter any task notes. Use this space to add helpful context, instructions, or details needed to complete the task successfully. Before creating the task, take a moment to review all the details. Check that the title, type, priority, associations, ownership, timing, and notes are correct. This quick review can prevent mistakes and save time later. Once everything looks good, click Create. HubSpot will save the task and add it to your system. To make sure it worked, verify that the task has been created successfully. Then open the tasks list to view it there and confirm it appears with the correct details. And that's how to create a task in HubSpot CRM. Thanks for watching.